Hi, me and my friend Grace are about to go record my grandma's snoring, so hurry up, come on. You might be able to hear this from the room.
Myrtle Beach has always been family oriented. Our economic engine is terrific. We have low and middle income come here, particularly in summertime. The longer the killer is out there, the more Myrtle Beach and its visitors stand to lose.
Yeah, she's a little snorer already. Oh yeah, and
Here,
yeah, that's.
Here, take me.
Huh? Oh, hold on.
Hi, everybody. This is a video. Just you should see what I saw, and I think you just heard it too.
Alright, well, we gotta go. Bye.